dollies, you know, it's standing up with its butt in the air, looks like a cat in heat. So, yeah, what do you do when you can't get engine parts and the lovely supercharged Mercury is like smoking oil? Well, not even that kind of oil. Well, I mean, you go and you get like this 429 Ford Big Block, 429 Ford Big Block, 1969 Big Block with spark plugs and missing head bolts, but they're supposed to be over there in the bucket. So I don't have one. I have one motor here, a second is coming, and two C6 transmissions, part spins associated with, you know, this one, a starter, and one supercharged truck. So we're gonna be, unless someone comes up and offers me a nice amount of money, I might switch these motors out and put a naturally aspirated, natural, yes, they're all natural, don't touch mine, those are mine, naturally aspirated 429 Big Block, 29 Big Block into the Mercury. Yeah, probably bit off more than I can chew here. Anybody want to come by and help me, please? Anyway, so I'm gonna go get the engine hoist, lift them out, get them onto the ground, and then we'll get them in the garage. So let's see, I got two 429s. One is not here yet. Oh, home on the range, where the deer looks so strange. This is a bird, to the burn. We're flying? We are nearly flying. Are we flying? We are flying. Oh, it's so very nice. Sticking fingers underneath flying motor. Possibly. Cooperative, you know, It's pretty good. It's looking promising. Furniture dollies. Aren't they awesome? Look how good that looks on there. Exactly where I wanted it, or close enough. I mean, I've now got room to get that scrap gone, move the vacuum cleaner. And then, I mean, I do have an engine stand over there. I'm gonna need it, so I don't want to put this on there yet. But I can put two C6s here, or one there, move these, one over here, or in here after I move that stuff. We've got one more 429 coming. It's one, kind of weighty. And we're gonna use the old cherry picker, nose picker, cherry picker 2000 to lift out the transmissions, get them out on the ground. Look at this one here. It's got gold in it. She's got gold, Captain. I don't know what that means, but you know, if you take a look at her, She's nice and clean in here, nice and clean, nice and clean, nice and clean. I will try not to screw that up. Supposedly, this one was rebuilt. This one here, lose it, or was I seeing it? Oh, right here. So you see this piece of wire on this tag here. So this one looks dirty, but I'm pretty sure this was either a takeout or it's been rebuilt. I don't know. These little tags, usually you find them on the parts stores when they're shipping them. So this one may have been rebuilt at some point, or it could be a wrecking yard. I don't know, but I got two of them. One's got a Torcolator 10,000, the other one doesn't. So I'm going to surmise that it was super duper guaranteed to maybe be rebuilt. I don't know, maybe. But that one there, I'm pretty sure the guy I got it from, he said it was rebuilt. And I mean, you look at this seal, that seal's fairly new. I could pull the torque converter out of that one and see what the seals look like in there. This one's a wee bit gungy and dirty. She's been a leaking just a wee bit, no biggie. That one didn't come with this. These are hard to get, I was told. Did come with the flywheel, which is good, but no torque converter. Make do. We'll make do. It's okay. There we go. 429. I don't know if you can read anything off of there. 550 RPMs. Idle set. Blah blah blah. I don't know. I'm assuming it's a 429. I was told it's a 429, and it's a big block. At least it's a big block of steel. So, and it looks a lot like the last one. The other one I bought. I think that's enough. Let's get this thing set on here in the opposite direction. Don't take off on me now. You gotta be cooperative here. Just a modicum of cooperative. Nice. Nice. Well, there we go. Both transmissions are in. Waiting on one motor to show up. Now that one is going to be possibly, gotta wait to talk to him, rebuilt by Rick Blitz. It'll be new pistons, new rings, probably honed out. Hopefully it won't need to be bored out, because if it needs boring, it's not going to happen. Maybe oversized piston rings. Maybe. We'll see. We're not going to go crazy on these 429s. We're going to leave them pretty much as they are. So, got one here. The other one will sit right there. Two transmissions. I'll have to investigate torquelators and see if we need to get another one for that one, or if I can have switch swap. I don't like doing that because this one is full of stuff from this one, and this one needs its own stuff. But as you can see on here, this one here says C6. I'm not sure what that means. It's an old piece of tape. But C6 right here, 69 from a Thunderbird. Two 429 C6 transmissions. No difference in any other C6 as far as I know. Maybe the gears are different. Got a starter. Well, I got a bucket of parts I got to go get to. They're just out on the lawn over here. I'm going to put them right here with the snapper. And then we'll have everything inside. Oh, it's the lens inside the camera I'm staring at. Looks weird. Then we just have to figure out what we're doing about the 302 with the supercharger. It's in the Mercury. We take it to a car show and someone offers me the money for that Mercury, buddy, she could be yours. I'm not in love with the Mercury truck. Not saying I don't like it. Oh, I like it. That supercharger is just super neato. But if you walked up and offered me the right amount of money for that truck, it could be yours. I don't know, one of you maybe, or maybe none of you. As I told one of my neighbors who politely asked, I said, no, it can be sold. My favorite stuff are Jeeps. It can be yours. You just maybe have to come up with a number you think you can live with paying, and I maybe will accept it. Maybe. Possibly. Because hey, let's face it, if I could put a 429 into a CJ7 or a Willys pickup truck,